What's the meaning of bric-a-brac? Bric-a-brac. Bric-a-brac.
Bric-a-brac. Bric-a-brac. Bric-a-brac is a term used to describe an eclectic assortment of small, ornamental objects, often of little value and with no apparent connection to one another. The term comes from the French language and can be loosely translated as knickknacks or trinkets. Bric-a-brac can refer to anything from decorative figurines to old toys, antique tools, and even bits of broken china. While individually these items may not have much meaning, when grouped together, they can create a charming and eclectic aesthetic. Bric-a-brac is often found in second-hand shops and flea markets, where collectors can browse through a treasure trove of unique finds.